today, we have to get everything fixed, inspected, pre-inspected, fuel loads, everything ready to go so that tomorrow we can fly every airplane. Our main priority is to keep the aircraft flying. So we're tasked by ops with certain flights at certain times and certain days, and it's our job to make sure that they're ready to go, and so that ops can do their job to hit their target on time. We had 2 fly in, and then we taxied 5 into spots, and then had to get on those and get those configured for paratroopers to jump out of tomorrow, get fuel loaded, get everything serviced, all the inspections that go along with getting ready to fly. Lots of man hours and lots of people involved. While that was happening, the Army was getting set up to load their Humvees onto some aircraft. We like to work together when we can, but we got to stay safe and make sure we take care of our aircraft.